So hello everyone, this is another video, but this is video about Arduino and I will not show the connection, but I will show the simulation about this Arduino board. So in this case I have used this one. You see the cursor, and this is a temperature sensor. This one is another temperature. Basically there is a two temperature sensor, and through the programming this Arduino board, and then this output will be shown on the LCD screen. So what is these two temperature sensors will do? This first temperature sensor will sense the environment temperature, basically the room temperature, and the second one will show the system temperature, that is the nichrome wire which is inside the jaw. Alright, so for this programming I have used Arduino programming code. So let's see the Arduino programming code what I have used. First I have declared the liquid crystal, basically the crystal which is display LCD display, and there is some float variable temperature pin. This is the main thing. First you have to declare the pin. So this is very easy. Temperature underscore pin equal to A0, which is A0 is the pin which is connected to the Arduino. Then I have declared some variables in float. Okay, and then start coding. The main problem occurred in this coding, this line. This after putting this line, all code will be run perfectly, but if you left the coding this much, it will not showing the actual value. It will showing something another value, or sometime it will not showing the value. So let's try the simulation. Basically what it simulates, it will simulate temperature. First I have told already, room temperature, system temperature which is a jaw, and the difference of temperature and the amount of heat per kg. So let's simulate. This is what room temperature, jaw temperature which is the system temperature, difference of temperature and the heat. So if I increase the value of the simulation in jaw, let's say the temperature is around 50, one, two, 50. So now it will show 50 point something, which will be more accurate. Let's see the temperature, 50.34 degrees centigrade, and then for this basis it will calculate the difference of temperature and the amount of heat. Thank you.